Darwinia Network update with your host, Crypto Hustler 101, your guide to cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Darwinia Network and all the updates here in this last couple weeks. And we're going to run through a little bit on the Darwinia Highlight 2021. So welcome to Darwinia Retrospective. Thank you to all the developers, researchers, contributors, node operators, and community members, and more who have helped sustain the growth of Darwinia Network into 2021. So here's a Darwinia Network 2021 stats snapshot. You can see here there was 347% growth. Validators 105, nodes 224, on-chain accounts 10,335. That's a 1,200% upgrade. Signed extrinsics is 262. Bridge is counts as 3,989. The ring amount is 259 million, and KTON is 51,000. So there's only 80 or maybe about 90,000 KTON at this time. So that's quite a bit. Darwinia community, 315 tweets. Followers, 74,700. New followers, 54,000 new followers this last year, 5.23 million impressions, and mentions 38,000 times. Telegram is now 23,000. So opening quotes by the Darwinia co-founders. 2021 was a fruitful year for Darwinia. Has made great progress and gained more insights and experience in bridge technical research. We look forward to seeing new milestones in the next year. This is one of our co-founders, Alex Chen. With the maturity of the bridge messaging network, DVM, and infrastructure in the next year, we will see more and more excellent community applications. Looking forward to explosion of the Darwinia ecosystem. This is from Denny Wang. Darwinia and Web 3.0 Metaverse Builder into 2021. Darwinia Network Web3 Cross-Chain Bridge Hub. Darwinia Network is a cross-chain bridge hub of the Web 3.0 Metaverse. The application areas of Darwinia Network includes DeFi, cross-chain NFT trading, GameFi. Darwinia Network also developed the metaverse game Evolution Land. You can see here is Mark Zuckerberg talking about interoperability. The future of Web3 is all about interoperability, and Darwinia has been contributing to the compatibility of interoperability of the metaverse since 2018, or 2018, not 2020. Designed from scratch to be a token router and bridge hub of the Polkadot Kusama ecosystem, Darwinia is also one of the friends of Polkadot and was mentioned in the light paper. 2021 milestones. Substrate to Substrate Bridge has been launched. Darwinia Canary Network Crab and EVM Plus platform to be the oasis of flourishing Polkadot metaverse ecosystem. Evolution Land 2 continents, 25 new projects have joined, and 20,000 DAU, daily active users. Subscan support, Darwinia, Crab, Pangolin, and Pangoro. Those are our test networks. Complete bridge relayer economic system, and complete verification of truth layer on the Binance Smart Chain Lite client. So we'll be releasing a bridge to BSC as well as continents for the game Evolution Land. Darwinia Virtual Machine upgrade. Darwinia in Polkadot. You can see that Darwinia has been part of the Web3 Foundation grants, and we have accumulated 3 grants, which is very significant and very noticeable in the space. So definitely check out more on this. All the information will be on the description below. Selected to join Polkadot Decoded on 2021. We did make a speech here. You can see that Bree Yin, which is our CMO for Darwinia Network, talked about bridge hub between Polkadot ecosystems and external networks. So after several rounds of community votes and dry runs, Darwinia was the only project selected to present a cross-chain bridge at the tag speech of this year's Polkadot Decoded 2021. Darwinia is running the Polkadot and Kusama parachain auctions to empower more ecosystem projects with cross-chain bridge functionality support or infrastructure support. Darwinia is bidding for the Polkadot and Kusama parachains slots. The ecosystem projects won't have to reinvent the wheel and build their own bridges to every chain, but instead focus on building their customized applications. What's significance here is that we use a truth layer bridge that allows us at the most lowest level of chain interactions. So we use ZK and optimistic relay to send transactions through the bridge instead of using an app chain layer on layer 1, which is an unnecessary security breach. So if you've noticed that sometimes you've seen other bridges be hacked because they are built on the application layer, makes them more vulnerable. So in this case, we are sending a general transaction at the most basic layer, which has no smart contracts. So this is very important for the future iteration of bridges and becoming a relay chain. So support Darwinia Crowloan on Polkadot. Development momentum. Darwinia mainnet has been live for a year. So actually right now we're having a Crab Network parachain auction right now in Kusama. So that is what our current approach is right now. The first block of the mainnet was produced on September 26, 2020. So we've been active on our mainnet for over a year and almost 3 months. So it's actually quite significant. Actually, a year and 3 months, actually, almost 4 months. So it's been quite a bit of time here that we've been a mainnet chain. Solo chain and Polkadot Kusama parachains. Darwinia Crab are bidding a parachains for Polkadot and Kusama. 2 testnets of Pangolin and Pangoro. 1 Canary Network Crab. Around 25 on-chain runtime upgrades in 2021. Darwinia Crab bridge are ready online. That is Darwinia substrate to substrate bridge. Document SDK will be open to other substrate chains that want to bridge with Darwinia. The layer design, the bridge network, truth layer, message layer, and application layer. Each bridge instance consists of components: source, truth, source, message, target, truth. There are 2 implementing of the message layer. One is the message palette for substrate to substrate change, and one is a message solidity for EVM to EVM chains. Currently, truth layer components including completed in progress. Grandpa finality palette for substrate standalone chains with 2 implementing substrate palette to EVM solidity. Legacy ETH1 PAL with optimized like client palette used by Ethereum Bridge version 1. BSC finality palette. Parachain Grandpa finality palette for parachain via relay chain with 2 implementing substrate palette to EVM solidity. Working in progress, expected to complete in 2022 Q1. ETH2 consensus finality, ETH2 execution layer via ETH2 consensus layer expected to be completed on Q2. Completed the verification of truth layer of BSC client, support verification of storage proof, and support the verification of BSC storage proof in DVM Darwinia Network. Bridge layer, relayer economic system, relayer fee market design, engineering integration, running smoothly in Darwinia Crab Network or Crab Bridge. Bridge relayer client bridge, frame extensible support of bridge task, replace scan bridges with extending or indexing solutions such as Grandpa and Subquery. Darwinia Virtual Machine, that is DVM. More integrations with Subscan and other explorers such as crab.subview.xyz. EVM infrastructure compatibility supports integrations such as MetaMask and Remix, etc. DVM debug and trace solution support. Interoperable or operation solution between substrate runtime palette and DVM smart contract using recompile contracts. Smart contracts specify solutions for ecosystem explorers. Security enhancements, principles introducing messaging filter for target chain in messaging protocol. Application layer should be aware of the security assumptions of the bridge layer and should introduce redundant security designs according to its own requirements. Redundant designs like a guard system should be implemented in the application layer instead of the bridge network. decentralized open source, peer review, and code audits. Safety exploration solutions, growing and breaking new ground with ecosystem partners. So here's all our partners. You can see we're actually extending quite a bit of partners right now. We will be releasing that information very soon. We are rapidly expanding, and I hope with our Crowloan, we'll see more ecosystem partners being able to work with us. So stay tuned on all the information. Crab, glad to support above star projects to expand their asset multi-chain circulation with Darwinia Ethereum Cross Bridge, help integrate more quality non-parachain assets into DeFi applications, and Darwinia Substrate to Substrate Bridge. Cross-chain token applications is Wormhole 2.0. There's a new design, finalized wormhole mapping token standards, wormhole-backed importance change used in blockchain indexers, the graph, and subquery to replace wormhole backend services. Add fee market to substrate bridge. Wormhole support cross transfer ring between Darwinia and Crab. Wormhole governance uses DAO to manage proposals. Wormhole DAO is command line interface. Wormhole guard to enhance security. The overview of Evolution Land. There's quite a bit of gain that we have since the snapshot in 2021. Like I mentioned, 20,000% daily active users. Highest land price is 110,000 ring, 176,000 ring, and highest apostle price 3.4 million TVL. Twitter from 1,000 to 39,400. Telegram 2,000, 11,000. Discord from 0 to 6,000 and 25 plus star projects. New functions of Hiko, Polygon, Furnace, Farm, Gold Rush, PvE, equipment, and professions have been added to all the new functionality. So definitely check out more on this. There was a video released by Greyhood, so definitely check that out. I'll have that on the description below, as well as check it on the playlist of Evolution Land. Evolution Land has been listed top various projects, top 5 games, 6 pillar features, gameplays. So I mentioned all that. Dawning content specifically 2.2 million TVL. Highest apostle price 162,000, 108,000 for land prices, 60 times the resource price, 258,000 daily transactions, and 5,000 DAU daily active users. DeFi farm launch has happened. The Furnace has happened. Adventures of PvE will be introducing PvP very soon, as well as the Crab content in Q1. So definitely stay tuned to all that information. The Gold Rush expanding by sending your old land to new land exchange. Evolution Land DAO, that's the governance staking for KTON, receiving ring bonuses. Evolution Land Metaverse partners. So here's our Metaverse partners. There's some more Metaverse partners. Evolution Land cooperation. So we have a bunch of partners here across the board. Evolution Land growth has been quite a bit. 300 growth in Discord, 20,000% and 5,000% growth on DAU. Evolution Land roadmap on 2022. Definitely check out that on the previous video, or actually check that out on previous videos. DAO takes shape, 16 democracy proposals on Crab, 44 council motions on Darwinia, and 73 council motions on Crab. Activity has been going up on Twitter. With activity here, you can see Ring was one of the top Polkadot ecosystem coins and social activity. And new Metaverse Experience Officer program we introduced. We've generated 100 plus new articles every month, 50 plus videos per month, averaging about 5 minutes from Darwinia, Crowloan, Evolution Land game tutorials. We do have quite a bit of MEO partners too. We have about 70 plus members in the group. Featured events, we had the Polygon content launch, which was released on Bloomberg. 40,000 involved on Twitch. So this Evolution Land Metaverse. I've been doing a lot of AMAs last year. We've connected with a lot of guilds. And then Darwinia had to build a Web 3.0 metaverse, so we had a conversation about metaverse. Darwinia community Q&A. We had giveaways. We had the Evolution Land Metaverse meme contest. So you can see here's some of the roadmap for 2022. Darwinia BSC Bridge, DVM to Darwinia Network, Crab Online Hackathon, Polkadot Parachain Auction, Polkadot and Kusama Parachain. And we're actually doing the Kusama right now. The Polkadot auction isn't working as well in our favor, but that's okay. Kusama Parachain Auction is going to be also very enticing. Now, Substrate Meta version 14 support, a metadata, a substrate to parachain bridge, Ethereum 2.0 merge update. That's Q2. We're going to adopt the Beefy protocol, Darwinia Ethereum Bridge version 2, ecosystem applications, the Bridger 2.0, DVM debug, trace support, bridge routing protocol design for Q3, Open Bridge Messaging Network is Q3, Darwinia the Tron Bridge, and permissionless Bridger. Q4, roll up bridges, stateless client truth layer component, bridge messaging routing network, and DVM 2.0 design. So that's very interesting. So you can see 2018 through 2022 would be the 5th year since Darwinia has been building on Substrate with Polkadot. In 2022, we'll continue the growth mission, building the Web 3.0 metaverse. You can see here Denny Chen, and you can see here Denny Wang, also Gavin Wood, and this is the Polkadot meetup with Parity. This was in 2018 or 2019. So this is a Polkadot meetup. So yeah, let me add some little bit to it. There's an RMRK official sponsor. So this is for the Crab Hackathon. So definitely check out more about this. The information will be on the description below. But essentially, RMRK is giving out some NFTs for anyone that builds with RMRK on the Crab Hackathon. So definitely check out more about this on the description below. So also a hands-on guide on how to run a Bridger node. So this is adding more information for Bridger nodes. So definitely check this out for anyone that wants to be a part of the Bridger nodes. I think this is very important. This is definitely important for us for our expansion for decentralized bridges. So definitely appreciate anyone that checks us out and becomes a Bridger node. So build EVM compatible smart chain on Crab. So Darwinia core team is committed to providing centralized cross-chain interoperability solutions for heterogeneous networks. The current substrate, the Ethereum and substrate two-way cross-chain bridges have been running stably and have been adopted by multiple projects. They have achieved another milestone in Crab Smart Chain. Crab Smart Chain provides a development environment that is fully compatible with Ethereum. DApp developers can easily migrate and deploy existing contract projects to the Crab Smart Chain with minimum modification. It is in everything is designed in compliance with the operating paradigm to Ethereum. Therefore, parallel tools such as Ethereum, such as MetaMask, Truffle, Waffle, and Remix can be used. Compared to Ethereum, the gas fees are much lower for sending transactions and interacting with contracts on the Crab Smart Chain. And the confirmation latency is significantly shorter. There are still some differences between Crab Smart Chain and Ethereum, meaning that, for example, values of network difficulty and Coinbase in the block are hard-coded in the Crab Smart Chain. Because Crab Smart Chain is built on Substrate, POS consensus, and these power-related concepts do not apply here. Crab Smart Chain combines existing decentralized cross-chain protocols to provide new ideas for cross-chain practice. The Crab Smart Chain is built on a Substrate framework and will participate in the Kusama Parachain auction in the future. So definitely check out more on this article. Check out our Medium. So like to announce also is that the Crab airdrop. So there's an airdrop for 200,000 Crab for anyone that has a GitHub account that was made before December 30th, 2021. So definitely check this out on the description below on how to receive a free airdrop for Crab. Also to end this, Crab Online Hackathon is $102,000. So definitely check that out. All the information will be on the description below, and you can check that out here on the hackathon. Mentioned before, there's Web3 tools. We need DeFi, Metaverse, and NFT projects. Resource developer tools, end-to-end support, and business development tools. So definitely check this out. Your team will win some prizes as well as NFTs if you're building with RMRK. So I hope this was very informative for you guys. Please like and subscribe and hit the post notification to stay up to date on all my videos. And this is the Darwinia Network update with your host, Crypto Hustler 101, your guy in the cryptocurrency. You guys have a great day, evening, and afternoon. Peace.